Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is your boy Rebel, and today I am going to be reviewing the Leatherman. Now, are you wondering what a Leatherman is? Well, I'm going to tell you in this video. Okay, so let's open this thing up. Oh, look at that. So, it's really nice. Love the color. Okay, so, let's see. I guess you do... Oh, that is sick. How do I get it down? Oh. Wait, how do you get this down? Oh, that's actually really cool. What's this? Oh my gosh! Is that a saw? Wow. Okay. Let's check out the other ones. Oh, is that like another saw? That's cool. As you can tell, this is already a pretty nice thing. This might be pretty expensive. I'm not sure. My dad got me this, so yeah, we'll look that up. So I just looked it up on Amazon, and it is $100. Wow. Okay, let's get back to the video. Oh, this is a nail file. What else do you... Oh! Dude, there are little literal pliers in here. Wow, that's actually sick. Is it? Oh! Okay, anyway, oh, they actually have a measuring tool. Check that out. Centimeters, meters. This is actually pretty cool. Wow. Does it have it? Oh, it has it here on the other side, too. Oh, wait, is there more? What's this? Gotta get it open first. Oh, they're little scissors. Dude, that is hilarious. This is really good quality. Dang. Okay. Just gotta get this one out. Is this a bottle cap opener? Dude, this is nice. Wow. What the heck is this thing? How do I get this thing out? Oh, wait. Bro, that's so cool. Wait, can you take it out? Oh, you can. Oh, there's another side. Dude, this is sick. How do you put it back in? Oh. Ah, I can't stick it in. Okay. Okay, so got that side done. Let's check out the other side. Is this seriously another bottle cap opener? Dude, this is really high quality. This is really nice. Wow. Dang, okay. This is really sick. Don't get me wrong. I think this is probably one of the best tools I've ever seen. This is probably going to be a really good tool for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want the Leatherman, I will leave a link in the description below. And yeah, thank you, and subscribe, like, comment, and share this with your friends. Peace out. Rebel out. And if you want this, I'll leave a description below and a link. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching.
Yeah.